I've been fighting battle inside. Girl, come on me. Let your hands guide the moment. Yeah, you can control me. If you're not right here with me, where would I go? If you ever change sides, how would I know? Give my time and my heart just to help us grow. Stay close. Wrap your arms around me tight, I might take you wherever I go. Sorry for the nights you cry because of me. If we keep hiding truth, we will never reach our dream. Close my eyes, you're the only one I see each night. Touching your hair while I'm trying to read your mind. Hoping you trust everything I say, I'm done with lies. It cuts deep how you treat me sometimes, but don't leave my side. Rare blessing when I met you. Rare blessing that you found me. You my calm in the madness. You my heartbeat pounding. I've been going through something, girl, console me. I'm gonna make you take the lead, yeah, you can control me. If you're not right by my side, where will I go? If you ever switch sides, how will I know? Oh, I made so many sacrifices for us to grow. Hold me tight, yes, I might take you with me. I apologize if you cry and it's cause of me. Baby, I apologize. If we both lie to each other, we won't go far. I close my eyes and I dream of you, yes, every night. Running up the money, stacking up the stash just to spoil you. Take you out, treat you right, every step I adore you. Yeah, maybe I caught feelings too hard, too fast. Didn't know what to do with that, but I still want you back. Let me come pick you up, baby, let me take you out. Ain't no way you escaping my now. You feel the same, you can't stay away too long. I messed up before, I admit I was wrong, but you keep me alive, running through my veins. I'm trying every day just to wash out the pain. Put you through storms, didn't see the strain, but you're the one who stays even through the rain. Oh.